morning. We are in our PJs and we're going to be unbagging these. Okay, so this is what we're working with. You can see the bag is gross. So when I purchased it, I saw this one through it and I thought, ooh, maybe it's a whole bag full of railroad pins, which would be pretty neat. So let's open it up and see what we can get. Okay, so I cracked her open. I just cut into it because I'm not keeping this bag. So let's see what we got. So we got Green Mountain. Don't exactly know what that means. And we have this one is what I saw through the bag. Lionel Road, no, Railroader Club. Okay. I don't want to get stuck with any of these. Western Maryland Roadway. Okay. Northern Pacific. Boston and Albany. Well, that one's stuck on there. Hold on. Let's look at this one. Illinois Central. Yeah, that one's stuck through the bag. I don't want to get tetanus from this thing. Boston and Albany. What's this big one? Railroader Club, 1994. Okay. Milwaukee. Chicago Northwestern. Okay. What is this one? 1995. All right, so a lot of railroad, which I thought they were going to be. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Did we see this one? Oh yeah, we did. The Milwaukee. Let's see how gross this bag is. I need to wash after this. Yeah, that's everything in the bag. So these are pretty cool. Railroad pins. Probably put them up as a lot. Okay. Thanks for watching. Say bye.